Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Snapchat account temporarily disabled. How to recover temporarily disabled account. So if your Snapchat account is blocked or you want to unlock your account, it's very easy. Don't open via app but open via browser. So you can try open your Chrome and try to type help.snapchat.com. So after that, this is the Snapchat support. Try to use managing my account and login and password. So you can try to learn about I can access my account. So your account is locked. So an account can be temporarily or permanently locked if your account is temporarily locked. So you can try logging back in via the app or on the web by going here. And after that you can simply unlock. Just tap going here. So you can add your email, your username or email, or you can use phone number instead. After that you can tap next and you can unlock your account easily. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the X button below. See you in next video.